Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing only essential items and opening the Winrar archive dialog. Select your files and right-click, then choose Add to Archive. Once done, name the archive clearly and pick RAR or RAR5 as the format. RAR5 gives better modern compression. Make sure to set archive volume size only if splitting. Don't change everything at once. Leave compression method and dictionary size visible, so you can adjust in the next step for maximum size reduction. Now you optimize parameters that drive compression. Choose best compression method and switch to RAR5 for larger dictionary support. That often reduces size significantly. Increase dictionary size up to what your system memory allows. Larger dictionaries improve ratios for big datasets. Enable solid archive to exploit redundancy across files. This yields major savings for similar files. Adjust word size if compressing executables or text, and check recovery record only if integrity is critical. Finish by creating the archive and letting Winrar run. Expect longer times with aggressive settings. Once complete, test the archive from Winrar's menu to verify integrity. If you need to send the file, consider creating a small recovery record or splitting into volumes. If you encounter errors, insufficient memory, or extremely slow speeds, reduce dictionary size, disable solid mode, or compress in smaller batches. Remember, higher compression trades time and RAM for size, so balance according to your priorities.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.